Hey Don, how's it going today? It's Tuesday, November 17th, and the signal today was to go long. And by golly, the market went long. Now, from a day-to-day perspective, people would call it a down day. However, these signals, what they do is we're talking about from the open to the close, right? Not relative to the previous day. And it was spot on, man. So what's going on with you?
Well, I don't know.
That's good. You're a man of few words. And we like that because the few words that you give us are golden. How's that?
Cool. I'll pay you later.
All right, cool. So before we get on to the call for tomorrow, I want everybody to go down, click the subscribe button, click that like button, and tap that little bell there, the notification bell, so that you get these things delivered to you whenever we come out with a new signal. All right, so tell us, what can we expect for tomorrow?
Well, first of all, before we talk about tomorrow, I want to cover the issue of volatility.
Okay.
And the signals in the last 22 trading days, which is a month of trading, we've had 50. Now I'm all tongue-tied.
That's okay.
15 were winners and 7 were losers.
Okay.
And it's pretty good. But the issue on volatility is as volatility shrinks, we're chasing smaller and smaller targets.
Right.
And so I would just recommend anybody, no matter what system you're trading on, I would lower your targets across the board until volatility changes.
There's no doubt. When that volatility is dropping, and particularly with my service, it got to the point where we started to lose our edge, where there wasn't enough premium in plays to even put on trades. So we simply didn't put on trades, just sort of sitting on the sidelines. But I think it's going to change. What do you think?
I don't know. I mean, last year at this time, the VIX was about half what it is right now. Mm-hmm. So volatility could even go down further. I don't try to guess that stuff. I don't know. I know this. I know that when I look at the market right now, Ernie, I see a lot of things that are kind of scary. I mean, not kind of scary, but really seriously concerning. If you think about this, Moderna came out with a vaccine that's 94.5% effective. That's what they say.
Right.
And, man, I would think the market would just skyrocket on this news. And we are at all-time highs, so maybe it's all baked in. But I wonder how much fear is out there right now, Ernie.
Well, I mean, it's not just COVID that is injecting this fear in there, and this is really the juxtaposed against the market. You have this uncertainty that exists with COVID and the election and all these other issues on the national and international stage, and it almost doesn't make sense to look at that and then look at where volatility is going. So these are really interesting times.
Well, I'd be curious to know from the viewers of your channel what they think is going on with the market right now. Well, I mean, I trust our signals, and I trade them exclusively. Without these signals, though, it'd be like a scary time.
Yeah, I agree with you, and we're all looking for answers. So if people do have an idea, how do you juxtapose these two different realities? Just put a comment down below. We'll answer any comments there. All right.
It's probably the Mandela effect.
The Mandela, yes.
You should get Moneybag 73 on your show.
Okay. Thank you. Tell us what's going on.
Tomorrow is a sell.
A sell. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
It's I was a little surprised about that. I thought that we might, even see a buy, but it's a sell.
Okay, fantastic. So
that's from open to close is when we make our trades.
Right.
It has nothing to do with what happens now until
so
then.
In other words, the market in the pre-market might go up, but we're saying from the time it opens to the time it closes.
That's when we'll be making our trades.
All right. And it's important to have that clarification. And so, people, if you just hang on for a second, you'll see the graph and the chart, the setup that we're going to put out there, and use that in at your own discretion. Thanks, Don. We'll see you tomorrow.
You're welcome, Ernie. Thanks for having me.